The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Poo facts.
Dogs. They bake a lot of bum brownies. It's estimated that all dogs in the world drop nearly 10 million tonnes of turds every year. That's the same weight as 1,000 Eiffel Towers. Try scooping that.
Fart facts.
Mongooses. Famous for killing venomous snakes. And famous for unleashing lethal farts. Mongoose farts are so strong that the smell can stay in your clothes even after you've washed them. Oh, back off, dude.
Is it true that the wild white rhino will spend up to a minute sniffing the dung of a stranger to learn more about them? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Reindeer. Extremely jolly and festive, but they can't walk and pee at the same time. When they're travelling long distances, they have to stop for bathroom breaks every 10 k's. Santa is a very patient person.
Is it true that the wild white rhino will spend up to a minute sniffing the dung of a stranger to learn more about them? You bet your life it is. Antisocial. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.